In this video, I'm going to be doing my daily analysis on all 6 of my pairs, and we're also going to be doing a recap after I've done it. I'm going to switch the roles this time. Okay, so let's get straight into it. What am I seeing on gold? So, gold to me is clearly in the sell. Okay, we're definitely rejecting this little minor level. You know, our structure high is here. Until this key level gets taken out, we're going to be in sells, sorry. But I'm definitely seeing a rejection, probably a double top if this does decide to close below. But we're going to see because London Open is very soon. So gold is in a sell. GBPJPY is in a buy. Yes, I have already marked it up. I am in a trade. So I've seen GJ in a buy because we broke this high. Okay, that was our last sell structure. We did break. Moved our double bottom level to here, we pulled up again, and now our double bottom level is here. Okay, so until this key level gets taken out on GBPJPY, I'm going to be in buys until it tells me otherwise. Okay, so that is GJ, we're in a buy. AJ, so AJ is the same thing, we're in a buy until this key level gets taken, until this key level gets taken out. Because we did break and close, so until this key level gets taken out, we're going to be buying, okay? So definitely wait for a close and break to confirm a shift in momentum, but you can't predict it, so keep buying AJ until it tells you otherwise. So USDJPY, let's see. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at this price action until this double top level gets taken out. We're going to be in selling structure, okay? But for now, I'll definitely sell in USDJPY. And now let's have a look on AU. So AU's in a buy till this key level gets taken out, and that is that. Okay, so we have EU. EU, okay, so we took out this selling structure, which moved our double bottom level to now here, which is our buying structure. Okay, so until this key level gets taken out, we're going to be in buys on EU. Now let's do a quick recap, okay? So where were we last week? So we left it... Okay, so that I remember now. So we were in sells on EU and our bias was correct until this key level gets taken out. Now I wasn't too interested because it was consolidating. Nevertheless, it would have gave you a nice opportunity to enter the trade on a structure break like that. Okay, and you could have rode this all the way down to probably the minus 27 level, looking at this without drawing it. So yes, our bias correct. On EU. So AUDUSD, where were we last week? Okay, so we said it was in a sell until it faked out, and then we were buy. Okay, I do remember now. And our bias was correct. It did decide to carry on pushing up for the rest of the day. It did come all the way back down, created a double top in this minor level before eventually dropping and a huge flood. So our bias was correct, but bias decided to change. Okay, there's not a problem with that. So USDJPY. So I took the video on London and we were above, but I said if it doesn't close and break, we're still going to be in sells, which we did. We did get a little fake out, but we didn't close above this high before eventually dropping. So our bias was correct at the start, but it did decide to switch it up for the rest of New York. Now this is normal, especially when it's you know, switching over to New York session on Friday. Okay, so AUDJPY. I do remember I said it was a sell. Beautiful. Okay, I said I'd be looking to sell in this area, and what happened? Okay, it sold all the way back down. So I hope you guys are making money, whoever's watching this, and actually learning and implementing it, okay? Because you're seeing it. Sometimes I'm wrong, sometimes all of them are right, okay? I'm not this perfect guru. So GBPJPY, this was very choppy. I did actually just decide to not trade it. Well, I did actually get one, to be honest, which ended up being in a loss. But yeah, my bias was correct for GBPJPY because we looked at it and it broke and closed above this high. It did push up, giving you some good trading opportunities, which eventually whipped back down, broke the structure level before selling off. Okay, so if you guys know how to read, mark your structure now, you'll be able to get in all these entries. That's what I'm trying to build you guys to be able to do. Let's have a look at gold. So gold, the bias was correct. I do remember that. Okay, so I had this fibs drawn. in this 38.2, which we did sell off, and I did get in a trade actually and made 3%, selling it back down. So I hope you guys made money, and I hope you enjoy and learning something, okay? If you are, just keep watching these videos. I'm going to be pumping them out every single day, and thank you all for watching. If you have until this point, I'm going to leave my other daily analysis right above so you guys can go and check to see if I'm capping or not, because you're going to see I said exactly what I've just shown you now. Okay, so thank you for watching, and peace.